Hi, it's Dia. Today I want to say congratulations to Colored by Caroline and C. Richards. I decided to give away 2 sets of 24 Noris Colored Pencils by Staedtler because they were such a bargain at, where did I get them? I got them at Staples. I got 2 of them. So for this super secret giveaway, I not only chose Colored by Caroline, but I chose C. Richardson. So once again, I want to thank everybody for entering this video, for watching my videos to the end where I do those super secret giveaways sometimes. And I hope you all subscribe to me so you don't miss any of my giveaways. I also have another one currently running in which I'm giving away a set of Bruynzeel design pencils. So if you didn't win here, you have another chance next week. So once again, congratulations to Colored by Caroline and C. Richardson. If you like this video, I hope you subscribe to me here and maybe give me a thumbs up and tell somebody who might like these videos too. So once again, congratulations, and I'll see you soon. Bye.